Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's another beautiful day. So today I'll be teaching you how to play OBA AWON by Joe Mettle. The key is in E flat, no B flat, sorry. B flat. And for the song, there are 5 chords in the song, okay? We have B flat major, E flat major, F major, G minor, and we have C minor and D minor. So these are the chords: B flat major, E flat major, F major, G minor, C minor, and D minor. Okay. The strumming pattern is down strum. Let's just dive into the song. First verse, so it goes like this. You start from Fa, that's E flat major, Fa, and back to Do. And Do is a B flat major, okay? So G minor. So let's take it again. Singing holy, holy, no, E flat major, I play sauce. You can play it like this. You can play it like this or like this. Okay, so however you play it. E flat major, F major, G minor, C minor, E minor, back to G minor. Wow. With the chorus, G minor, and back to G minor, C minor, D minor, play the G minor here, sorry. But I prefer this, okay? So there's a part where I think it's the bridge. They sang holy, 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 holy. Yeah, so that part it goes like this. So it goes like this. Singing holy, 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 oh, yeah, I see that part, they use the whammy part. So if you don't have whammy part, I'm sorry. Okay, I'm sorry. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like my video, share it to others, and help this channel grow. Okay, so thank you very much. Bye, see you in my next video.